capable na, no one judge me, but in front of teachers, yes, everyone judge me. They are judging me, but because of these. Hi, a very warm welcome to my channel Speaking English with Rupali. So without wasting the time, let's jump into the video. Very first time कि I am living in one of the metro city, and I am doing work in one of the reputed school as a take care teacher or kindergarten teacher. So where I take care of all the childrens very well, even though I take care about their lunch, their dress, or their teaching, their teaching, where I teach to students very well in their basic level, their initial level. Yes, in their initial level. And sometime I dancing with them to express, and I make different kind of expressions and telling stories and other kind of things, like dancings, like exercises, zumbas, and where I also express myself through making the different expressions, telling stories, or like their alphabetical books are there, or different kind of ways I through different kind of things I am teaching to students. And in my school there are 30 childrens. There are 30 childrens are study. There are 30 children study in my school. Overall 30. Okay, overall 30 students study in my school. But in my class only 5 students are there. I take care the nursery students and nursery and playgroup students. And in my class 5 students are there. There are 3 girls and 2 boys are there. And one name is Sirali, the other one is Tanvi, and the other one is Arfa, and the fourth one is Lakshu, and the third one is Ira. So there are four girls and 1 boys are there, and 1 boys, that is play group, and the rest of them are studying in nursery classes, where I have to speak in English, where I have to teach them in English only, and where I enjoyed a lot, because I love to teach them, and I love to take care of them. I love to like spend time with them. And I'm very grateful now कि I take care of them, because small tiny delicate students, they are so delicate, they are very small, and I love to spend with them, they take care of them, teaching them, and where I express my whole teaching with them. And I enjoy a lot. And school there are 4 teachers and take care or like a maid are there. And I have 1 main or coordinator or principal ma'am, and the 2 of rest are my teacher or colleagues, like, and I am, and including and I am there. We have 4 teachers and 2 two maids are there. 2 maids are there, and the morning maids are different, and for morning 1 take care are there, 1 maid are there, 1 maid is there, and for evening the other maid is there. And their work is like cleaning, dustings, and cleaning of children's, like these things, making coffees and teas, and and sometime also they take care of a toddler students or children's in lkgs and UKG's children's. And I am teaching play groups and nurseries. uh, Serali is a very good fluent speaker. She is now 4 years of old, but she is able to speak English very well as compared to us. And sorry. And the other two girl is Arfa and Tanvi. They are also speaking very well, but less than Shirali. And while teaching and working with while teaching with students, or working with my colleagues, and where I am improving my English a lot, and where I get so much confidence how to speak in English. And I became, and slowly I become a fluent English speaker. Yes, I did little mistakes in grammar. Sometime I got fear. I uh, get fear at that time. I didn't able to speak in English, or I am stuck at that time. So at that time, what I am doing, moment I take a rest for few seconds, and I pick so much easy word that I pick, and I speak in front of my colleagues or my students, in my students, or a different in front of my students. I am able to speak English very well, but in front of teacher, my fear come many times, and I unable to speak in English, and I forgot everything. But at that moment now I feel, yeah, कि yes, I need so much practices in English only. And I don't know कि the people how they get fluency so much nice in this city. I want to become fluent English. In order to that, I give myself a lot to speak English in front of them, but because of my fever, I unable to speak English. That's why this is my aim, कि I remove my fear and get so much confident and able to speak in front of them. And while teaching with students, I'm capable na, no one judge me. But in front of teachers, yes, everyone judge me. They are judging me. But because of this reason, I got scare and fear, and I lose my confidence, and I unable to speak in English. But right now, while I using these platform, YouTube platform, or uploading videos, I got confidence and able to speak in front of them. But sometime I stuck still. And I want to remove my fear slowly, and slowly. And if you want to know about more कि how to improve my English very well, and I got confidence, or develop my personality at what kind of the situations I am facing or dealing with them while teaching students. Okay, while teaching students. So could you please follow me and subscribe my channels, and do you please like my videos too. And I hope you will enjoy with me. And yes, and here I am uploading my videos with my goods and bads too. And so that you are watching my So you are watching my improvement gradually, or I am also. So thank you so much watching my videos. Subscribe and like. Thank you.